Okay, so Brandon was saying cold oil essential towels. We love that. Great feature. Yeah. Yeah, awesome. Very, very nice. Okay.
And there are two more things here on the first level. We have the Luxor lockers on the right, and then a study room
Oh, nice.
as well.
Okay, great. Oh, gosh. Apartments that we look at, they tend to have a room like this, but it's not as private. So I like how private this is. And I like that light. Wow, that's really cool. What a great design. Very, very cool. Yeah, this is so private. You can't hear a thing. Not a thing. This is great.
I have lots of residents who work from home, so they will utilize that space.
Yeah. Yep.
All of the amenities, because there
Nice.
is Wi-Fi available everywhere. This is how we enter the community.
Okay. And is that the amenities that finishes?
No.
Oh, okay.
There's one more.
Awesome, awesome.
That we'll be able to see. There are two more.